Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Holden Cruze, stock number 7221. It's run from the 3rd, 2013 to 1st, 2017. There's an A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet, left front 18-inch factory mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,